Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today let's talk about how can we model this kind of spring inside Fusion 360. Let's get right into it. Before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, so make sure to subscribe to the channel to be a part of the conversation. Thank you. Open a new file, create, and click on coil. Now I want to choose this face and draw a circle. Define the diameter 500. I will hit enter, and automatically it will take a length, right? From here you can just check revolution and pitch, height and pitch and spiral. I'll go for revolution and height. You can keep the rotation like clockwise, anti-clockwise. You can define the revolution. You can define it 9 or 12 or whatever you want to keep it. The height is too high. I think 500, 1200, 2000 is the better option. Now it's a circular section and define the circular cross section 40 or 50 or 120. See, you can choose the cross section as square, circular, triangular, or triangular internal. I will go for circular, and make sure you choose new body, and I will hit OK. The specification I just defined right now is just random one. You can go for the specific height, length, pitch, and diameter. You will find the exact spring, and we'll be having a 3D model of that. Thanks for watching.